we are unboxing a mini vacuum cleaner. So let's begin. This is the box. These are the uses of vacuum cleaner. These are the specifications. Now I will open the box. This is the instruction manual. Inside there is a warranty card. This is the pipe with the handle. This is the tool which we will be connecting to the pipe. These are two rods for extending. With this vacuum cleaner, we have got multiple tools to clean different surface. This is also a tool. And this is our main machine. Now the box is empty. You can see. These are the parts which we get inside the box. This is our vacuum cleaner. There is a on-off switch, and this is the wire, and we have got a velcro. There are wheels attached to the vacuum cleaner, and this is the lock system. We have to open the lock and have to clean the dust inside the vacuum cleaner like this, and then lock it. Now let's assemble everything. So this is the pipe which we have got with handle. Let's connect it, and we have to connect this with a rod like this. And if you want to extend, we can use the another rod, and this is the tool like this, and this is the another tool. We can use another tool like this. Just remove this and put. If you want to extend a rod, we can extend a rod by putting another rod. We have got many tools for different surfaces. Okay. This is used in the corners. This is used in cleaning water. Now let's test it.